Good morning, welcome to another vlog. Excuse my appearance, I look crazy. Oh my god. I literally have just been laying around on the couch. So yeah, I still need to wash my face, do something with my hair and all of that. But as you can tell from the title, I am currently on vacation and I wanted to do just like a little vlog and a get ready with me, and I want to show you guys around the condo that we're staying at. But first, let's head to the bathroom. I need to wash my face, brush my teeth. Teeth brushed, face washed, contacts in. You see the sunburn? I have been so good about wearing sunscreen all summer long. And then of course, yesterday, I don't know, we went down to the beach. I was not planning on being there for very long. I totally just didn't even think about sunscreen. Luckily, it doesn't hurt too bad though. It's just a little itchy. So I have been applying this aloe vera gel and it's been helping a lot. So as you guys saw, I already moisturized my face, so I'm gonna use the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. This stuff is so good. And then for foundation, I'm gonna use the NARS Sheer Glow. I'm in the shade Valencia. This has been like my go-to foundation all summer, and it's been like my perfect tanned summer color. I'm gonna bring some of that a little onto my chest too, just to kind of like blend my neck into where the sunburn starts. I don't want to put too much product on my actual sunburn, but just so that, you know, it blends a little bit. So yeah, I am on vacation with my mom and dad. My brother didn't come with us because he is in school currently. A lot of people actually have been messaging me asking about him, like how come he hasn't been in any videos and how's he doing. He's doing well. He's going to technical school for welding, and you know, with technical schools it's all based on your hours, so if you miss days you have to make all of that time up, and he's already missed a few days. So we actually are here as like an end of summer slash my mom's birthday trip. Her birthday was on the 6th of September. Did I even say where we are? We're in Ocean City, Maryland. We got down here on Sunday and we are leaving on Thursday, which is tomorrow. So I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter concealer. Again, like all of these products have been what I've been using all summer long. So if you've seen any of my get ready with me videos, none of this is much different. It's so funny, I feel like I do my makeup the exact same way pretty much. I'll just like occasionally tweak like my lip color, or I'll do something a little bit different with my eyes, and every time I still get comments like makeup tutorial please, and I'm like I don't want to do a whole tutorial because it's literally the exact same thing every time. It's just small little things that I'll do differently. I've been blending out my under eye concealer lately with a brush, the same brush that I use for my foundation, because I just feel like I get a little bit more coverage that way as opposed to using like a sponge. So yes, we are in Ocean City, Maryland. Today is our last full day. I actually didn't wear any makeup this entire trip because like I just don't see a point. But today, since it's our last day, and tonight we're planning on going out for dinner and drinks and stuff like that, I figured, why not? Maybe I'll get some cute pictures for Instagram while we're out. Yeah, also I forgot to mention it's bike week here. I think it starts tomorrow, but all week we've been hearing motorcycles like crazy. People have been getting in to town early, and honestly I don't even know what bike week is. I mean, I guess it's like a motorcycle convention, like all these people that are into motorcycles come and meet up here, and they have like different vendors and stuff for the weekend. But it's been a little annoying, to be honest, because like the last few days we've just been hearing motorcycles non-stop, and especially at night when you're trying to go to sleep, it's a little annoying. I just put some of the translucent powder from Dermablend under my eyes. I'm not gonna leave it there for too long, because sometimes I feel like if I bake my under eyes too long, they start to look a little bit crepey and dry, you know? And then I'm just gonna fill in my brows really quick with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. This is in the shade Brunette. Brows are done. Now I'm going to do a little bit of contouring and bronzing and all that. I've been liking to contour my nose with a cream bronzer. So this is the Wet n Wild dual-ended contour stick. And I just go, like, I kind of follow where my brow starts. And I just come down the sides of my nose. And then I do underneath a little bit too. And it just helps to give the illusion that it's like a little bit slimmer, but I don't even really care. Like, I like my nose naturally. I mostly just like to contour because I just feel like it makes the look more complete. When you just put foundation all over, it makes everything very flat. So then I like to go back through and add bronzer and contour and all that. Just add the shadows and dimension and everything back into my face so I don't look so like ghostly. Now I'm gonna use the NYX matte bronzer and I just kind of bronze all over. I haven't been doing like a really sharp contour lately. I'm gonna apply this on my neck too to like deepen it up a little bit so that again it like blends into that sunburn a little bit better. I'm applying it underneath my jaw to kind of erase away that double chin. Then for blush, I'm using this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek blush in the shade No Vacancy. Again, this is the exact same blush I have been wearing like since the spring. The only difference is sometimes I apply a little bit more than other days. And what I like to do with the blush is I kind of go a little heavy-handed. And I'm gonna apply my highlight. This is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals. Highlight too, I'll go like a little bit heavier on the cheeks. So now I'm gonna spray my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. But you can use any setting spray, any facial spray that you have. I like to get my face pretty soaked with that. And then I take my damp beauty blender and I just pounce over everything. And that just helps like melt all the makeup in together so nothing looks powdery. And it really helps to blend like that highlighter and blush and everything all in together. And then for my eyes, I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna take that same NYX bronzer and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Like I said before, just to like bring everything all together. And then I'm just gonna brush through my eyelash extensions, make sure they're not sitting funky. And then I have this ColourPop palette, the Sweet Talk pressed powder palette. So pretty. It has like some of the most beautiful pink colors. And I think I'm gonna take the shade Side to Side. I'm gonna take it with my finger and just put that in the inner corner just to add a little something. Ooh, that shade is so pretty. And then for my lips, I'm gonna do this Pixi by Petra liquid lipstick in the shade Matte Beige. So there is the makeup. I need to do my hair, but first I'm gonna get myself a little something to drink, because you know, went on vacation, right? So I'm going to have a little bit of wine, but I'm gonna make it kind of like a sangria-ish because it's still pretty early. It's only 12 o'clock, you know. This wine is so delicious. Shout out to my friend Julia for introducing this to me. If you guys can find this anywhere in a liquor store near you, it is so good. If you have the same type of taste in wine as I do. I like a white wine, but I don't like it to be really sweet, but I don't like it super dry either. I like it somewhere right in the middle, and this is perfect. And then we have this white cranberry peach juice, which is so good. So I'm gonna just put like a splash of that in there. Ooh, yeah. Oh, so good. So I washed my hair a couple days ago and I had added some waves to it, but with this humid ocean air, like my hair just, it doesn't hold the style for shit. And of course I forgot to bring dry shampoo with me, so I might have to put it half up. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just using my flat iron, and I only have it turned on to 350 degrees. I don't like to do it on a super high temperature because that just fries your hair and also makes your color fade faster. And I just go through and I just curl each little piece. I do every piece going away from my face. So I just rotate it. And that's it. It's super easy. It just takes a little bit of practice sometimes to like get the hang of the motion, but it's a really simple concept. I'm vlogging myself doing my hair. Yeah, we're leaving first thing in the morning tomorrow, and then they're dropping me straight to work.
Okay.
They went to the beach, but I am a freaking crisp, burnt piece of toast.
So you don't want to go out there?
No, I don't know, and I just feel like relaxing. Like I really like this apartment. So honestly, I like just hanging out here.
So you just don't believe?
Yeah.
Religion.
This is your YouTube debut.
Hi, sisters.
No, none of that. Okay, so once everything is curled, I let it cool for a few minutes, and then I just go through with my fingers and separate everything, pull it apart. And normally I would like to spray some kind of texturizing spray or dry shampoo or something, but like I said, I forgot to bring all that stuff with me. So yeah, I am here by myself right now. My parents both went down to the beach. I don't know, I wasn't feeling it today. I think with my sunburn, I want to just stay out of the sun. I don't know about you guys, but when I go on vacation, especially lately, like ever since I started doing hair, it is such a physically demanding job that when I do have a vacation, I like to just relax. Like I used to be all about wanting to go out and do stuff and have fun, but now I will literally just hang out in the hotel all day and just like lay in bed. Like I'm totally fine with that. But let me show you a tour of our little condo that we are renting. It's so cute. So this is the front door when you walk in, and then immediately to your left is the first bathroom. And then you come back out here, and then you have the kitchen to the left. I love the white cabinets in here. By the way, excuse everything. It's a little bit messy. Like I said, we've already been here for the last few days, and you know, we made ourselves comfortable. We kind of have stuff all over the place. And then over here to the right is the first bedroom. So we got 2 beds in here. And then out here, we have the dining room table, and then it opens up to the living room, which is so cute. There's a fireplace, and then we have the balcony over here. I like how it's all just really open. There's also a washer and dryer in here, which is very convenient. And then back here is the master bedroom. There's also the door to the balcony in here. And then you have the master bathroom, which I already kind of showed you a little bit. There's a jacuzzi tub, a little shower, and then this vanity area. And then I'll show you outside on the balcony. So this is the outside. It's so loud out here. So down there is the bay side, and then that way, just across the street on the other side of those buildings, is the beach and the ocean. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out and getting ready with me. If you like these vlogs and you'd like me to do more of them, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. Also make sure you're subscribed to my channel before you go, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.